Kublai pi barok ki parlok ki baju pai akan ke channel jengi menta kasi ngi don hapo lai mkhra hapo ka yeng jengi malak man remboi ke jingwan jengi hang ni kalong ban menta ha ka jing yalang ka ba ki la pelong ha ka UDP bat barok ki tu ki parti ki balayo jing job ha ka election ar hajar ar pulai ha ka jingwan jengi sheni mene mesngi ki la don ka jing yalang indrai kendet kensan ki arut ki MNA jo ka HSPDP ki la ja na ka ni ka jing yalang bat hadu mentah bangi dang don hakani ke jakar kim pat wan pai kani ke jingyalang hi kila penlong ba kinyo ban thau ya kata ka sarkar ka ba lait na po ka NPP indre hadin ba ke jingja no jang kini ki arngut ki MLA na po HSPDP kala pen pulam no ya kani ka jing thmu jang ki namar ba hadin katu kani kentangi yo khubor ba nakaleng kini ki arngut ki HSPDP ki MLA jo ka HSPDP kilale ban kersan ya ka NPP ba ka BJP ban yo ban thau sarkar
tahading katuk ni por u president ke Hill State People's Democratic Party u ba KP pangyang hakasi thoding ula penher ya kasithi so president ke National People's Party u Conrad ke sangma ban wengno ya ke jingkersan ya ke NPP ban thau sarkar lang kumala kadaw kani kasithi u ba pangyang ulong magaseng HSPDP kamshim la ai bor ya kini ki arngut ki MLA kata yu ba Methodius dekhar na motion constituency ban u ba Shakler Wardri na Moutharation constituency ban ai jingkersan ya sarkar thmai ban yalam da ke NPP yakni ke sithi la pha hadin bikini ki arngut ki MLA ki la ai yak sithi so Conrad sangma ban penpaw ke jingkersan jongki yak sarkar thmai u president ke NPP Conrad sangma haswa jongkani ru ula penpaw bu la yo yak sithi bikini ki arngut ki MLA nak HSPDP ki lawan ban kersan yak sarkar thmai ban lam khmat da ke NPP.
They have met me in an official capacity. You must have seen the photographs also, and they have happily with free hands they have given the letter to me and some of my colleagues who were present. We were approached by different political parties to come and form the government and support us, and based on that only we have just started with our number of 32 right now, and as I said, we are still in touch with the other parties also, and we'll be meeting some of them right after this.